Do you guys ever work on your car on your own and need to lift your car? Today we're going to be checking out the ZL1 Addons bolt-on lift pads for the 5th gen Camaro. Let's do it. What's going on, guys? Matt over here with Lethal Garage, and today I want to talk about lifting your 5th gen Camaro. Now, a lot of you guys just use the regular pinch welds, maybe you've even used the ZL1 Addons magnetic lift pads, but today I have the ZL1 Addons bolt-on lift pads. Now, these bolt onto your pinch welds and they stay on your car. So when you need to lift your car, they're there. You can lift your car appropriately, then get underneath to put your stands or whatever on your subframe, etc., to work on your vehicle. Or if you just need to jack up your car quickly, I still recommend putting a jack stand under the subframe to pull your wheels off or stuff like that if you're fixing a flat or maybe cleaning your wheels or cleaning the whatever. So today, we're going to show you how to install the ZL1 Addons bolt-on pads. They're super easy to install. It's rinse and repeat on all 4 corners, but I'll show you exactly where to put them front and back, and you'll be good to go. So let's get to it. So one thing you may notice on one of your corners, you can see here on this pinch weld, it's bent. Your pinch welds may be bent. So from being used wherever you've taken your car or from lifting your car with a jack without these, you can see these pinch welds over time, they'll either bend side to side or they'll start expanding. That's kind of the nice part with these, is you don't have that issue. You got to put this on, obviously it won't go all the way on because it's bent, so get a pair of vice grips and bend them so they're nice and flat again. So that's what we're going to do here. There we go. We've now pinched it all back together again so it's not wide. You can even tell someone even lifted the car from way forward. But we should be good to go. Actually, we can make sure. Yep, that slides right on now. Perfect. We have the lift pad. You'll see there's 2 set screws in there that you're going to be tightening down. What I like to do is I like to screw them in just enough to make sure that it slides on, but it's not too loose, so that way you're not sitting here turning them forever. And they do include an Allen key in the purchase, so if you don't have Allen keys, don't feel like you have to go buy tools for this. And it is a tight fit, so in this instance we're using race ramps to make it a little easier. If your car's lowered, this is going to be pretty difficult for you. And as you can see, I'm basically playing fishing for the hole every time I... And on the front one, it's really easy to know where it goes because there's a specific opening for the 5th gen. Now if I can just get that out, there we go. Oh, see? It's not the easiest of times. It's funny, I can put the long end in perfectly fine, but the short side, the stubby side, oh, there it goes. I don't know why that was so difficult, but bam, front ones are on. Let's go do the rears. So on the rear side, you can see you do have a cutout. It's pretty self-explanatory where this goes, but it just slides in. Again, adjusting the set screws just enough so I'm not sitting here turning them 1,000 times. But the rear, I believe, has a little bit more clearance, so you should be able to get all your turns. There you go, installed. There you have it, pads are in on both sides. Now let's lift the car from the pads and show you where to put jack stands. So as you can see, there's our lift pad. Our jack goes right under. You can jack it up a little bit. Right on the pad. Lifts the car right up, no problem. Now, I am on an incline. If you guys are wondering or seeing and going, what are you doing, Lethal? You're not supposed to work on a car on an incline, just to be on a flat surface. Well, I don't have a flat surface, so I do have wheel chocks on the back of the wheel, and I will keep the jack on the car while we put the stand. But go ahead, keep jacking it up, and I'll show you a good place to put the jack stand on your 5th gen. Because a lot of people think you can put your car with the lift pads on a jack stand. Do not do that. Do not use these lift pads as a place to put your jack stand. That is a bad idea. So we're under here, and I like putting my jack stand right where that bolt is. It's a nice solid point, mounting point. And if you twist the stand, if I can get my... Here you go. It's now on the stand and we're safe to work on the car. And I do leave the jack still in place as well. Secondary measure, never hurts to have 2 things holding the car up. And there you have it. ZL1 Addons, bolt-on lift pads. The nice thing on is they're always there. So it's super easy to slide it up. You don't have to worry about your pinch welds collapsing or folding over, anything like that. But if you guys have questions or want to find out where to get these products, down in the description. As always, thanks for checking out the content. And until next time, guys, see you on the road.